Hello everyone. Good day to everyone. We are lining up at the check-in counters here at Terminal 3 going to Suvarnabhumi Airport, Bangkok, Thailand. Yellowish na tuloy yung ngipin ko, kaka-coffee. Yellowish na rin ngipin mo, no? Kaka-coffee. Bili kaya tayo nung ano, whitening strip. Bad for your health daw yun. At least white yung ngipin mo. Kaya nga, yung mga nagbi-veneers, no? But anyway, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's go to Thailand. Let's go!
You up in boom 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ding dong, plans would come true.
Much later.
This is our hotel, guys. Novotel. Hello, Bangkok. We are here at Novotel at Siam Plaza. This is the 7th, 6th floor pala. Wrong floor, sorry. 7. Okay. So as I was saying, we are here in Novotel Siam. Ayan, 7th floor na. Ayan, this is the correct location. 716. So this is where our... Ayan o, 7112. Ay, sorry, mali na naman for the second time. Gusto mo mag-pool, oh. Lakad-lakad muna. Suot ko yung ano eh. Nabili ko sa Liviu, Laguna. If you haven't seen our Kaleraya vlog yet, it's linked up there in the description box. Antok na ako. 1 AM pa lang kasi gising na ako. Okay, room tour. So, once you enter, you will just put your key card here and then everything will turn on. This is the toilet and bath. We have a bidet and a telephone, and these are the... Ayan, basta yan. And I am here. How do I look? Mukha na ba akong haggard, guys? Comment down below. So, with free soap. And over here, meron ding shampoo and soap. Hot and cold. Rainfall shower. And handheld as well. The tiles are grayish in color. Grayish. Very modern. And the ceiling is reflective. It's blue, navy blue. So here's the safety information. You can see through this hole over here. So ang question, magkano ang dapat na tip? There's a tea and coffee station over here. There's a complimentary water. Ayan. And these are the beds. And merong mga saksakan on the side. Same din naman sa Philippines, oh. Yan. Singapore, panahirapan mo sa Singapore kasi iba yung ano eh. Oh, yan na. So, magkano ang ating tip? May 150 yung fruits. Siguro parang 200? Thank you so much. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Enjoy your stay. Yung mga hotel na ito, make sure to always lock lock the door. So, as I was saying, guys, yan. Yung mga luggage natin, nag-FA pa ako. They'll see. And what else? We have a flat screen TV here. It's, I think, 55 inches. It's, what brand is this? LG. Meron din ditong mga saksakan. USB port. You can also listen to music with Bluetooth. And a wire LAN as well for the internet. Ang ganda ng ilaw. Very modern. And this is the headboard. The entire Bangkok is painted on the wall. Meron ditong magandang accent chair. And we got this luggage from Ginza Karen in Tokyo. And the view is the entire city. Ayun yung Central World. Doon tayo pupunta bukas. Ayun, the Central Station. That's the meet-up location for our temple. Malayo-layo lang din. Malayo-layo din pala. Temple, ano yun? Tour. Temple tour. Tapos yung cruise natin. Here are the cuisines available. Arabian, Chinese, and room service. Meron din pala tayong mini bar dito, guys. Forgot to mention. Yan. Hindi yan free, syempre. Yan yung ano, price list. And this is the... Yan. May presyo din yan. And pocket door tayo dito, guys. Ay, hindi. Sliding door lang pala. Hindi siya pocket door. Yan. Tingnan mo sa keycard. Yan. Sandals, courtesy of Lilu Laguna. And ang haggard ko na. Freshen up muna kami, guys. That's it for now. See you in a bit. Bye! Like, and subscribe. Walang Netflix. I'm so hungry, guys. Obvious ba? Ano ko na? Hindi na ako fresh. Haggard na ako, guys. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Ah, bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Food at last. Let's eat. Happy birthday! Sarap, guys, sobra. Thank you to the receptionist at Novotel. He recommended this restaurant, which is an authentic Thai restaurant here at Siam Square or Siam Mall. Siam Square. So, kain muna kami. Bye! Ang sarap, guys. Ang anghang. Signature dish nila to eh. Itong leeks, kinain ko ng raw. Masarap palang leeks ng raw. Sarap. Sobra. Highly recommend. White Flower Factory. May noodles siya sa loob, guys. Lumpiang ubod.
Just then.
I got this one too. For running, dual pockets. I got a jogger pants too. This one. Wala akong ganito eh. I never had one. So now, I have one. Hindi makita. Basta yan. Joggers yan. Jogger pants. Ito yung kay Zeph. Dalawang shirt and one jogger pants. Hindi, sweatpants. We got some gibbets for our Crocs. We are having some crepe today. Ako yung choco banana. Tapos si Jeff yung Banopi England. Happy birthday! Cute nila yun. Sa akin yung mga pink. Ayan.
Next morning.
We are at Starbucks. See you there. 189. Oo. Isang set nito. Ang pasalubong. Ah. Oo, no, lagayan mo ng ano. Lagayan mo ng laptop. So anyway, ano order natin? Wow. Sandwich. Ito, Riceberry Club sandwich. Kaya ham and bacon. Ayoko niyan. Ham, cheese, egg wrap. Honey Greek yogurt. Tuna mayo, whole wheat bread. Ito, hindi ako agad yung spinach cheese Danish. Spinach cheese Danish. Ano kaya? Sige na nga, ito na lang Riceberry Club sandwich. Saan yan? Yan, Riceberry Club sandwich. And for the coffee, anong coffee natin? Ano ba yung gusto mo? Brown sugar. Ay, ayoko ng hot, ay ng ano, ng cold. Coffee frappuccino. Bawalin tayo. Mooncake. Hey, doon na lang natin kunin sa 1.8. Here it is, you guys. The Starbucks mooncake. And partnering it with peppermint tea.